and welcome back, everybody. If your YouTube app is crashing immediately on your Android phone and you're looking out for fixes, you may just head over and follow these steps for that. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. You can clear out the YouTube app cached in data for that. So, go over and look out for your settings app and open it up. And within your settings, scroll down and find the option for apps and go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on apps, you can look out for the YouTube app here. Go to the search at the top and search for YouTube and tap on it. And once you select YouTube, look out for the storage option. Scroll down, find the storage section and tap on it. And if you look out for it, you can look out for the clear cache option and tap on it. And that should clear the cache. If the problem still persists, you can clear the storage or clear data by tapping on clear data. That should reset the app but keeps your account data if you're signed in. Also update your YouTube application, so go to Google Play Store for that. And once you go to Google Play Store, you can go to the search and then search for YouTube. So go to the top and type in YouTube in the search. And once you type in YouTube, you can go for update if there is any kind of update available and fix the issue because using outdated version can cause the crashes. Also restart your phone, so you can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option and select it. A simple restart should often fix the temporary glitches. And apart from that, you can just go over and check your internet connection. You can access your settings for that and go to the connection section. And within there, look out for the Wi-Fi or the data that you're connected and see if the connectivity is causing the crash, because ensuring your connection is stable is very necessary. And also free up your device's storage. Low storage can make the apps unstable. So if there is no storage, you can delete the unnecessary applications and fix the issue. So those are probably the solutions you can follow up. Your YouTube app should now stop crashing. So if this video helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And thank you for watching.